Okay, let's start. Good afternoon, grade 4.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I am happy.
I'm
fine.
So let's start. Last week, we discussed about division of numbers. And this week, we will be learning about multiplication and division of number patterns. We have some vocabularies to read. So I want you to listen properly. I'll be reading it, and then later, I will call you to read, okay? Number 1, missing number. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, divide. Number 4, pattern. Number 5, rule. I'll repeat again. Number 1, missing number. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, divide. Number 4, pattern. Number 5, rule. Okay, so let's start with Papa 2.
Missing number, multiply, divide, pattern, rules.
Very good. Thank you for reading. Next,
Me.
who? Can you say the name?
Int.
Int. Please read.
Missing number. Multiply. Divide. Pattern. Rule.
Very good, Int. Thank you. Next, pilot.
Missing number, 2 multiply, 3 divide, 4 pattern, 5 rule.
Very good, pilot. Next, whom.
Number 1. Missing number.
Number 2, multiply.
Multiply. Number 3. Divide.
Pattern.
Me.
Number 5, rule.
Rule.
Very good. Thank you. Next, wants to read? Playing, okay?
Number 1, missing number. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, divide. Number 4,
Pattern.
number 4, pattern.
Number 5,
And number
Rule.
5,
okay, next, thank you. On cow.
Missing number. Number 2. Multiply. Number 3. Divide. Number 4. Pattern. Number 5. Loop.
Very good. Thank you. Next, EQ girl.
Missing number. Multiply. Divide. Pattern. Rule.
Very good. Thank you. Next,
Teacher.
okay, please read.
Number 1. Missing number. Number 2. Multiply. Divide. Number 4. Pattern. Number 5. Loop.
Very good. Thank you. So that's for our vocabulary. Let's move on to our main topic. We have a question here. What is a pattern? A pattern is something that follows a rule while repeating or changing. Let's look at an example here. So example 1, multiplication of number pattern. So we have to follow a rule. It said multiply by 2 to get the next number. The next number in the pattern is blank. Let's start by writing like this. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. And 40 times 2 equals
30.
Very good. So The next number in the pattern is 80. So the pattern that we are following is multiplying by 2 to get the next number. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next example. This time, it is division of number pattern. The rule here is divide by 2 to get the next number. For example, we have 1,200, 600, 300, 150, and blank. The next number in the pattern is blank. 1,200 divided by 2 is equals to 600. 600 divided by 2 equals 300. 300 divided by 2 equals 150. And 150 divided by 2 is equals to
75.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 75. The next number in the pattern is 75. So let's move on to your activity if you understand this. We will answer 3 pages today. Open your books on page 165. Fill in the missing numbers in each pattern. So we have 4 letters to answer. Letter A, 125, 375, 1,125, 3,375, and we have a missing number. Okay, so 125 times 3, very good, it's correct, is equals to 375. 375 times 3 equals 1,125. 1,125 times 3 equals 3,375. 3,375 times 3 equals
10,125.
very good. That's the correct answer too. So 10,125. Next, letter B. What is the number pattern here that was used? 4, 72, 1,296. We have the blank here and 419,904. How do we get the answer here? Who knows it? To get the answer here, we will divide the numbers. So for example, I will pick 72 divided by 4. What's the answer? It is
18.
18. After that, 1,296 times 18. What's your answer here?
23,228. 328.
Very good. So the number pattern for letter B is 18. 1,296 times 18 equals 23,326. Okay, so that's it for our activity today. And thank you for joining the class. I'll see you again on Friday. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.